Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her, man.
Yeah, so here we are, man. Got the small Range Rover outside. We got a coolant problem. It's overheating. One of the hoses are broken, man. And we're gonna just try to fix it, man. So I pretty much found the problem. The hose goes from the coolant reservoir all the way around to the bottom, and then it detaches to this thermostat, and then I guess it goes into the firewall somehow this way. Just trying to figure out which one it is and have to replace it. I see another one on the bottom, so I think that's the hose that's damaged. It might be a little easier for us to replace it straight to the bottom of the radiator. We'll figure it out in a second though. All right, y'all, so we found the problem. This long hose right here has been leaking. It's got a gash, and that was behind this. So look, see it right there. I had to slash it off. It's welded on, man, but we're gonna replace this, get a new one, and the job is done. All right. Here's the piece that I had to take out, the housing. See it's down there. It pretty much connects right around, right, to that hose right there. So let's go and get it, and let's replace this. That's the first place we go. Pet boy. All right, so these guys didn't have it. Let's see if Advance has it, man. My favorite guys, man. They always got what we need, man. So, you know, we're here. Third time is a charm. It's MacGyver or something. This is the hose, y'all. Replaced it with a nice long one. I got an adapter. Thank God, man. Yeah, Dorman and Autos don't sell this, because I went everywhere and they was trying to order me this part. So, whatever. Connected directly down, and now, moment of truth is that this connection holds. If it does, everything is golden at this point. Until it burns and breaks again. But hopefully not. Right. We got Ray. And Mark. Alright. We just finished the discovery, y'all. We just finished this shit, man. Do your own car work, you heard? Woo. Day 2, guys. We got the Land Rover Discovery out here. I've been looking for posts on people doing this car, and I can't find anything, guys. This is a Land Rover Discovery Sport, and this is the engine, man. If y'all want to see it, you have a temperature sensor gauge on this side, which is what I removed, right? It's a temperature gauge in your housings there, and then you have it's hard to see now, guys, but right under this air intake is your thermostat housing. Definitely down there. And I was just trying to show you guys how it look. But this is how it looks. Under this, it's basically down there. 3 screws, thermostat inside, you can change it. Again, I can't find anybody doing any work on this car. So here's one of the first videos on it. Very complicated to get parts for this car, particularly. It's hard to get it at AutoZone, but I'm making it work, man. Right? So again, it's a Land Rover, you know, and very expensive car that we're fixing on the street. Let's get it, man. All right. Again, I mean, everything is done. I was gonna record, but it's just I got all cut up and everything. I'm doing this job. Very extensive. You got all these bolts right here. You have 5 or 6 of them, 10mm bolts. Take those out. This is actually gets loose at that point, and then you start breaking down everything else that you got to break down. Once you get that out the way, you can just push it to the side, and then get to work. It wasn't easy, but you got it done. So, see, hopefully this fixes the problem. She's complaining about an overheat. This is the thermostat. It definitely looks burnt, so I'm not sure if it's stuck. But we're gonna figure it out, man. Figure it out. Let's do it. Okay, so Here's the complete job. Hello. All right. Here's the complete job. The car's been on for about 10 minutes. All the air came out, capped it off, and we are done, I believe. Temperature gauge is on half. I'm trying to keep her here for as long as she can, before she got to go, I guess. But technically, the whole point is you want to run this car as much as you can. Leave the cap open and make sure there's no bubbles. That's perfect. The fans just turned on, which tells me the thermostat is opened up, and we're gonna see if it overheats right now. And but I think it's done, guys. Honestly, I don't want to keep the video going, but once if the fans stop, we already know we're good, because the fan stopping, meaning that it got back to the temperature that it was supposed to be. So we're gonna find out right now. And if it doesn't stop, then we could have a problem with the overheat. But I'm looking at everything, and there's nothing leaking, guys. So would it make sense if it doesn't work? Let's see. Oh yeah, nah, she got that too much oil. That's a different job, baby. Getting rid of one first. The couple things she got to do, honestly, I mean, it's been she said 3 years she had this problem, so she's been neglecting this car for 3 years. Hey, how's the temperature? Still in the middle. Good. So the goal is, I don't know what I did. The goal is to get the fans to stop and have the car run again quietly. 1 minute. So let's wait. All right, I'll let you know, guys, an update if it turns up.